how to send a message to somebody using WhatsApp on your computer. Just in case you started a web browser and went to web.whatsapp.com, then it's not going to work from here, because if I search for a number, let's say that one, it says no chats, contacts or messages found. If I go to the plus icon, type it in there, the same thing, no results found. So don't use the web version, but instead download a program and install that one from this button. So let's close the web version, and it's here, WhatsApp. So this is an installed application on the computer, and this one behaves in a different manner. If I type the number here, paste it, the same thing, no result, I cannot type to that person. But if I go to that pencil on a paper or whatever is that, and type in the number there, paste, then there is the person. If I click on it, I can type the message here. Okay, don't send that message, but it's possible. There's the send button.